What golden nugget of information do you have to share? Monkeys have a very distinct way of wanking off, and yes, they do wank themselves, which, in contrast to normal human male way of forming a tube with their hands, creates a shovel with their hand and cup their genitalia from under, and repeatedly rub it. I don't watch monkeys jack off, I just saw it in a documentary edit. I really don't edit. This is like 4 days old. How are you finding this DF? I don't have links to monkey porn. In the center courtyard of the Pentagon, you don't have to salute superior officers. It's a recreation lunch area and you'd basically spend the whole time saluting. So it's not required there. Source: my uncle, a Navy corpsman, who currently works at the Pentagon. X of Y is the same as Y of X. So if you're struggling to find 26 of 50, maybe 50 of 26. 13 is much easier to do quickly.